different skewer. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount are listed in the description box. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, we roast the vegetables. Now we cut the pineapple and the vegetables. And then we slice the meat into strips. Now we make the marinade. Exact amount in the description box. Now we make the sauce to mix with. Now we marinate the meat. Now we cover it and refrigerate it. Now we put everything on a skewer. Now we cook everything on a grill. Baste the skewer every time you flip them.
It moved from the heat and it's done.
Wow, looks so good. Time for taste test. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to taste it. Wow, that's so good. Wow, that's so good. The pineapple is sweet. The meat is very good. Let me try the green pepper. So delicious. The meat is tender. It is very flavorful. The pineapple is very juicy. That's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见.